corn continuing to climb on Thursday, so can we end the week with more gains than losses? Michelle Rook is back with more in Markets Now.
Grains ending mixed on Thursday. Rich Nelson Allendale joining us with analysis. And Rich, let's talk about that corn market, fifth higher close there. Is this short covering going into the report or into the quarter positioning, or what's going on?
I'd definitely say it's kind of all those things all put together. A lot of questions about what can be seen with these grain stock changes lined up here for today's discussion. A lot of big issues for this discussion on not just old crop stock numbers, but also what type of production revisions may be seen for 2022. On top of that, month-end, quarter-end positioning, and unknowns with whether we'll have a government shutdown or whatnot. I think those are all contributing factors right now.
Yeah. And corn actually closed above a little bit of short-term resistance anyways. And so if we can keep going here, do you think a harvest low is going to be put in this market?
For myself, I really don't think so. I still think that's quite a bit of ways away and quite a bit lower pricing still ahead. The issues for us right now is so far this market still has the Argentine dryness story, which is still valid at least for the next couple of weeks here. On top of that, we still have a lot of questions about this corn and soybean yield. So I think until we see some finalized numbers on those issues, we can hold at these current prices here.
Soybeans have had a recent correction. We're back at least above the $13 mark here, but can we hold on to that, especially on harvest pressure coming at us and with the Brazilian competition that we've seen?
I think on this one, it's probably a little tougher story here. Keep in mind, as far as a recent discussion in just the past 2 to 4 weeks, we've seen some U.S. export sales a little weak. Today's number is 47% below the 5-year average. You look at this Brazil pricing issue, and they've got us beat right now and certainly have us beat for 2 to 5 months out ahead. So I think on this issue, this is a valid concern for us in these next few weeks ahead here.
All right. Any quick expectations for the upcoming reports today?
I do think as far as this discussion here, we probably will see a very slight change to U.S. corn ending stocks. Average trade guess, just about a 23 million bushel decline. Our numbers are, in this case, just a very slight increase, but those don't change the corn story. The soybean numbers are where we could see some surprises. The trade suggests as a minimal decline. Keep in mind, in recent years, we've seen these numbers move anywhere from 40 to 90 million bushels. And for the discussion on soybeans, that could mean 70 cents to $1.05. So this could be something to watch quite closely for soybeans.
Thanks for that analysis. Rich Nelson Allendale will have more AgDay coming up.
To talk to Rich Nelson one-on-one, call 800-262-7538.